So you've got an American Express gift card and you're ready to dive into Valorant. But how do you actually turn the card into Valorant points? American Express gift cards work like prepaid debit cards for online purchases. They aren't directly accepted within the Valorant client itself for buying Valorant points. The key is to use your Amex gift card to buy a digital gift card that is accepted by Valorant, like a Riot Games or Valorant specific gift card from a third-party retailer. Navigate to an online retailer that sells gaming gift card sites like Amazon, Best Buy, or even specialized gaming stores are good places to start. Search for Valorant gift card or Riot Games gift card. Choose a card with a value that matches or is less than your Amex gift card's balance. During the checkout process for the digital gift card, enter your American Express gift card details, card number, expiration date, and swipe just like you would for any other online transaction. Once the purchase is confirmed, you'll receive a redemption code for the digital gift card. Copy or make note of this code carefully. Now launch Valorant and go to the store. Look for the option to purchase Valorant points or add VP. You should see an option to redeem a gift card or code. Enter the digital gift card code you obtained earlier into the designated field. And just like that, your Valorant points should be added to your account. Remember to check that the digital gift card you purchase is valid for your Valorant region, and be aware that some retailers might have slight price differences. There you have it, €1 your guide to converting that American Express gift card into the Valorant points you need. Enjoy the game.